Hi, how are you? I hope you enjoyed the first lesson in 10th class social studies called Really Futures. And today we are going to start a new lesson in 10th class social studies called The Ideas of Development. In this class, we are going to discuss second lesson in 10th class social studies called Ideas of Development. First of all, you should know the meaning of this topic. The word ideas refers to concept, views, thoughts. The word development refers to progress. The word development refers to progress. That means in this lesson, you are going to learn different ideas of development. In this lesson, you are going to learn different concepts of development, different views of development, different thoughts of development. Children, let us try to understand the meaning of development in this lesson. Come on, children, let's go into the concept now. Everyone has aspirations. An aspiration means nothing but ambition, aim, desires, goals. In this world, each and every person has ambitions, desire, goals, aspirations. Is it or not? A person without aspiration, a person without goal is a strange animal. So in this world, the living thing was created as a person, who born as a person, has aspirations. Is it or not? Yes. A child get up and say, what's your aspiration? Oh, you want to become doctor? Good. Second child, you stand up and say, what's your aspiration? Oh, you want to become engineer? Yes, good. Well, child, you stand up and say, what's your aspiration? Want to become an engineer? Yeah, good. So, to achieve your aspiration, to fulfill your goal, to achieve your goal, what should you do? You should find the resource. In that resource, after finding the resource, after thinking the resource, you should work in that resource to achieve your goal. Is it or not? For example, the first child says his aspiration is to become a doctor. What the child should do to become a doctor? First, you should find the resource. Or to find the resource, you should do hard work to achieve that goal. So, first you should complete 10th, then you should take BPC group in inter, and you should apply for NEET. If you get a good marks in NEET, you will get a medical seat. After getting a medical seat, if you do hard work for 5 years for MBBS, at last you achieve his goal. If the goal is achieved by the child, then you can say the child is developed. The second child says that his aspiration is to become an engineer. To become an engineer, what the child should do? The child should think about the resource. After thinking about the resource, okay, the child should go into the resource and should do hard work to achieve the goal. For example, okay, the child should complete SSC. After completing SSC, the child should apply for intermediate. After passing intermediate with good marks, okay, the child should apply for engineering. Okay, now the child should study 4 years in BTech or BE or IIT. After completing IIT or BTech, the child will become an engineer. If the child becomes an engineer, I say, if the child becomes an engineer, the child aspiration is fulfilled. The child goal is achieved. If the child goal is achieved, the child aspiration is fulfilled, then we call it is a development. Children, everyone has aspiration to become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, IAS officer, IPS officer, MLAs, MPs, Prime Minister. So to achieve the aspiration, to achieve the goal, you should think about the resource. After thinking about the resource, we should get the resource. After getting the resource, in that resource, we should do hard work to achieve our goal. in which we work to achieve the goal is called development. So what is development? Development is nothing but thinking about these questions, like what we would like to do, how do we like to live, what a country should be like, what are the essential things we require, can there be better life for all, can there be more equality. Thinking about these questions and thinking about the various resource in which we work to achieve the goal is called development. Development is not an easy task. It is a complex task. It is a complex task. Children, now we'll discuss now what development promises different people, different goals. What development promises different people, different goals. Children, let us look at this table. This table explains developmental goals of different categories of persons. This table explains developmental goals of different categories of persons, like landless laborer, prosperous farmer, farmers who depend only on the rain for growing crop, a rural woman from a land-owning family, etc. First, we discuss the developmental goal. The developmental goal is nothing but aspirations. Development goal is nothing but aspirations or aim, ambition, desires. Let us look the developmental goal or aspiration of landless. Let us look the developmental goal or aspirations of landless rural laborer. Who is called landless rural laborer? The laborer who do not have land in his village, called landless rural laborer. He works in other land for wages. His aspiration is, his development goals are, he expects more days of work with better wages. He wants to send his children to the local school that provide good quality education. He expects there should not be social discrimination on him, and he wants to be leaders for his village. Let us discuss the aspirations or developmental goals of prosperous farmers. Prosperous farmers' aspiration is his family income should become high through highly support of price for the crops. He need hardworking and cheap laborers to work in his field. He want to send his children for studies in abroad. Now let us look the aspirations of farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. The aspirations of farmer who depend only on rain for growing crops are abundant rainfall. He expects high yield of crops. He also need decent price for their crops. He want to send his children for local school to get quality of education. The aspirations of rural women from a land-owning family expects abundant rainfall, high yield of crops. The developmental goals of urban unemployed youth is to get a job with security for high salary. The developmental goals of a boy from a rich urban family is he want to be excellence in all performance and he want to dominate his sister. The aspirations of a girl from a rich urban family, she want to get much freedom as a brother so that she should be able to decide what she wants to do. She would like to go far abroad to pursue her studies. What are the developmental goals for an Adivasi from mining field? Adivasi aspiration is to move to development region for shelter. What are the developmental goals or aspiration for the person from fishing community in the coast area? The aspirations of fishing community people are they need decent price for their fish. They need regular work. They want to hunt many fishes in the sea regularly. So, when we examine this table, we come to know different persons have different developmental goal. When we examine the table, we come to know different categories of persons have Different persons have different developmental goals. Why? Because different people live different lifestyle. People live in different lifestyle. Some people live in rich lifestyle. Some people live in poor lifestyle. The person who live rich lifestyle expect bungalow with high class comforts like AC, car, high class kitchens, high class furnitures. They expect millions of rupees to earn. They want to send these children from abroad for studies. The person who live poor lifestyle has another aspirations, such as they expect small house with low class comfort like cycle, like fan, etc. And they need regular work with better wages. They want to send their children to local school and give good quality of education. For the example, I can prove it that the person who has rich lifestyle has one aspiration, the person who needs poor lifestyle has another aspiration. From this, what we come to know, yes, people are leading a different lifestyle. People have different developmental goals. People have different aspirations. When you examine the table, I come to know second statement also. First statement, two persons or a group of persons may see things that are conflicting. Your thing means goals, aspiration, desire. Your seek means desire. In Telugu we call కోరుకోవడం. Seek means desire. In Telugu we call కోరుకోవడం. That is the goals, the aspiration desired by two persons, a group of persons, result in conflicting. Means that create a problem to others, that create a dispute to others. Let me explain this statement with example. A girl, as the girl desire is, she expects much freedom and opportunity as a brother. She wants a brother to do household work, whereas a brother does not like this. So the aspiration desired by a girl create a conflict to her brother. I'll explain this statement with another example. Industrialist. Industrialist aspiration is to get more electricity. If industrialists want to get more electricity, then the industrialists should construct more dams in forest area where tribals live. If industrialists construct more dams, large dams in forest area would submerge. Tribal people would be displaced. So the aspiration desired by industrialists create a conflict to tribals. The aspiration desired by industrialists create a conflict to tribal. How? When industrialists construct a dam, set up a dam in forest area, so that industrialists would produce more electricity for his industries. So his aspiration is fulfilled. His desire is fulfilled. His goal is achieved. At the same time, his aspiration is to the goal which was desired by industrialists create a conflict to tribals. In what way? When you set up a dam, large dam in forest area would submerge. Tribal people want to be displaced. If tribal people displaced to another area, their life would reduce to nothing. Their life would be spoiled. Their life would be destroyed. So when tribal people resent the large dams, they prefer only small check dams or tanks to irrigate the land. So from this topic, from this first topic in second lesson, what we came to know means, what is the meaning of development? Different people have different developmental goals. About the statement explained, we also explained the statement called two persons, a group of persons may see things that are conflicting. We explained the examples. So I also examine the table. Now, hunter-gatherers, when you see this photo, when you see the human development history, this is a picture related to human development history. Hunter-gatherers began 2 lakh years ago. Hunter-gatherers began 2 lakh years ago. Agriculture began 12,000 years ago. Agriculture began 12,000 years ago. Industry began 400 years ago. Industry began 400 years ago. So, children, so far we discussed about the meaning of development, what development promises, different people have different goals. We discussed, so I hope you understand this topic. In second lesson called ideas of development. If you don't understand, see these videos repeatedly by keeping the textbook in front of you. Okay, then also if you don't understand, we will rectify doubts in the discussion classes very clearly. Thank you, children.